Good morning, my seedy friends. Thought I would share with you a little seed saving that I'm doing. These are brassicas. You save the seeds from them the same way. See how there's these long skinny pods? So this is true whether it's any type of brassica. Kale, you see that's a Russian kale. See how it's got the purple stem? And if you look here, you can see, let me back this up a little. You can see all the seed pods on it. Then there's broccoli, cabbage, collard greens. They all save the seeds the same way into these little bean pods. You see the bean pods? Each one of these is filled with at least 20 seeds. So how you get to this point is over in my garden there, I let the plants go over winter, and then they grew again this summer. So biennial, I planted them last summer or last spring. They grew all season long, and then I didn't pull them out at the roots. I left them in there. I didn't harvest much fruit off of them either, because at the time we weren't really eating meat, and they didn't do great. So I left them, and because I did, now I have a bounty of seed. So I just pulled them out of the garden so they don't get rained on anymore. And I'm going to let these pods dry out. Then I'm going to put them into a bowl and crack all the shells open. And I will have a lot of kale, collards, cabbage, seeds. So there you go, my seedy friends. More fun and exciting seed saving here on the Pop-Up Homestead. Let me know if you have questions about this below. I may have left some stuff out. Things you may have had questions about, things you may not have. So give it a like, give me a comment, let me know what you think. Hey, you want some seeds? I'll show you how to do it. Bye.